The CMS3003-COB soft strip latch. Product overview. 1. Power supply 12 VDC or 24 VDC. Please specify when ordering. 2. COB Technology flip chip reflow soldering enhances heat resistance and durability. 3. Beam angle 180 wide angle illumination for uniform brightness. 4. PCB Design double-layer copper PCB for excellent current and heat management. 5. Waterproof level IP67 rated for use in outdoor or rugged environments. 6. Mounting high-quality 3 and double-sided adhesive on the back for easy installation. 7. Advanced encapsulation uses special phosphor-infused silicone gel for superior waterproof protection. 8. Stroke process control. Each product undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure stability and consistency. 9. Competitive advantage. New generation soft strip light with strong performance, flexibility, and long lifespan. Specifications. 10. Dimensions. Width 3 mm, thickness 2 mm, length 300 mm, 600 mm, 1000 mm, or custom lengths up to 5000 mm 5 meters. 11. Available colors: red, yellow, blue, green, white, pink, ice blue, lemon yellow. Applications. 12. Interior ambient lighting enhances the cabin with soft and colorful lighting. 13. Side marker lights increases visibility from side angles. 14. Auxiliary turn signals provides clear directional indication. 15. Driving safety lights adds visibility and awareness while on the road. Key features. Wide voltage compatibility. Work with 12-volt or 24-volt systems. Flip chip light design improves temperature resistance and stability. Waterproof and impact resistant. Reliable in tough road and weather conditions. High durability, rated for over 50,000 hours of operation. Customizable, flexible sizes and color options for various vehicle applications.